Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. This is the title of our project: Secure Auditing and Deduplicating Data in Cloud Computing. Data deduplication is a technique for eliminating duplicate copies of data and has been widely used in cloud storage to reduce storage space and upload bandwidth. However, there is only one copy for each file stored in cloud, even if such a file is owned by a huge number of users. As a result, a deduplication system improves storage utilization while reducing reliability. Furthermore, the challenge of privacy for sensitive data also arises when they are outsourced by users to cloud. Aiming to address the above security challenges, this paper makes the first attempt to formalize the notion of distributed reliable deduplication system. We propose new distributed deduplication system with a higher reliability in which the data chunks are distributed across multiple cloud servers. The security requirements of data confidentiality and tag consistency are also achieved by introducing a deterministic secret sharing scheme in distributed storage system instead of using convergent encryption as in previous deduplication system. This is the flow diagram. Initially, the authentication process is here. The new user need to register. Otherwise, the existing user can directly log in into the process. In the Ghost Access module, the user need to browse the file. So here, the user initially upload the data and the cloud service provider data hidden hash table will be maintained the uploaded data, and here the auditor will monitor the deduplication exists or not. For the purpose, file tag and file tokens are generated for the data. If the data file name doesn't exist, the users can directly upload the data into the cloud server, and the files also encrypted and the corresponding key also generated for each uploaded files, and it will be maintained in the cloud service. These data and the key will be maintained by the cloud service provider. This is our project demo. Here the user, this is the authentication page. The new user can register like that by using this page. Existing user can log in directly. Now the file browsed. And here I get the file details. Then I need to save them. During save, the instruction is like that. The file name already exists, so I need to browse some another file. Yes. Then we need to generate file tag. For that, we need to start the private server. Initially, we need to initialize the servers and we need to serve the received path. For private server, we need to select the private cloud file path. We need to select the private server. Then we need to send the file tag. It will be right in the data owner. We need to share that file tag. After that, we need to generate token. Here, the file tag generated shown and file token also generated here. Then we need to save. Then we need to share the token. Before that, we need to select the received path. We select the private server. The file token shared. Okay, we need to initialize the token. It shared successfully. We need to initialize the server, then only the file can share. Then we can encrypt the file details. Then random key generate will be generated. After that, privilege need to be set, time based and role based privileges. Then we need to generate the key for the privilege access. Then we need to encrypt. After that, we need to save the files details. Then here now we need to close the private server. After that, we need to initialize the public cloud server. Here also we need to initialize the server and received path also need to be mentioned. So here data owner, and we need to initialize the server in this way. Then we can load the file. Here we need to the encrypted file. permission to store our file. Now we store our file successfully.
Thank you for listening.